Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding Indices and List Access in Python 3. Indices and list access are fundamental concepts in Python programming. Lists are versatile data structures that allow you to store and manipulate collections of items. In this tutorial, we'll explore how indices work in Python lists and how to access elements using indices. In Python, indices are used to access individual elements in a list. The index of an element indicates its position in the list. Python uses zero-based indexing, meaning the first element has an index of 0, the second has an index of 1, and so on. Let's create a simple list to demonstrate. Besides accessing individual elements, Python supports list slicing, allowing you to extract sublists. Slicing uses the format start-stop step, where start is the starting index, stop is the ending index, exclusive, and step is the step size. It's important to handle index errors, especially when dealing with user input or dynamically changing lists. Using an invalid index will result in an index error. You can prevent this by checking the length of the list before accessing an index. Understanding indices and list access is crucial for effective Python programming. With these concepts, you can efficiently navigate and manipulate lists, making your code more readable and maintainable. Remember to pay attention to index errors to ensure the robustness of your programs. Practice these concepts with different lists and explore more advanced features as you become more comfortable with Python programming. ChatGPT